Twain Drive installation started. Double-click the installation package. Select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click I agree. After selecting the installation path, click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click Finish and wait for a while. Click Cancel. Twain Drive installation completed. Double-click the Open Dental icon to open the Open Dental software. Select the corresponding software database and click OK. When using Twain Drive for the first time, you need to add Twain Drive settings. After entering the main interface of the software, click Set up Imaging Devices in the menu bar to enter the Imaging Devices window. Click Add to add Twain Driver for software. Fill in a Twain Driver name, user-defined name, in description. Click this to get the current computer name. Select the corresponding Twain Drive from the Twain name. Click OK. Twain Driver is added, and the Imaging Devices window is closed. Click Select Patient in the menu bar to select a patient. Click Imaging. Click Set up Imaging Mounts in the menu bar to enter the Mount Definitions window, and confirm whether there is a template. If there is, click Close. Click the arrow on the right of Mounts and select a template. Click Acquire and select Twain Driver in Device. Click Start to start Twain Drive. When using the sensor for the first time, if the sensor is not calibrated, it needs to be calibrated first. Click the icon to enter the manual calibration window. Click Exposure. The software will display ready, and the X-ray machine will expose towards the sensor with aluminum plate. After the image appears, continue the next exposure until all 8 images are collected. After 8 images appear, click Calibrate to complete the calibration. After manual correction, software matching setting is required. Click the icon to enter the setting window. Select Open Dental and click Edit. Select Enable and click Save to close the setting window. Back to the main interface, click the blue icon after confirming the shooting object. After the software appears ready, the X-ray machine starts to expose. After acquisition, the software will automatically upload the image to Open Dental. Operation completed.